the Jakarta airport.
Garuda Ana Siam Air. Okay. This is new terminal. It's not too crowded. So, see you in Labuan Bajo.
Drinking the Kopi Flores, so-called specialty with, they say, a different taste. I'm gonna try it.
Okay. Flores coffee, black coffee.
I'm no expert.
Watch out your nose.
My Western European nose.
Yeah.
I don't taste much at the moment anyway.
Yeah. Because of your flu?
Yeah.
Cheers.
It has some herbs.
Yeah.
It smells like a bit herbs, but good.
Do you know what kind of herbs inside?
I think it's just actually coffee, but it's like as if they put some herbs inside.
Okay.
That's different.
Do you like it?
It's good actually.
How many points?
8.
8?
Yeah,
Good.
that's my opinion.
Yeah. And right now, my turn.
So what do you have?
I have es sarang komodo,
With the lights.
or in English it's komodo nest ice. So this is Indonesian syrups and milk and coconut milk as well, and a little bit melon. This is a melon.
That's the melon.
Yeah, and some jelly of this one. So I'm gonna try it. I have to mix it. I think it's gonna be very, very sweet. Oh, it's good.
Is it sweet? Not
yeah.
too sweet?
No, not. Or maybe because I haven't mixed all of the syrup. Well, it's a little bit difficult to take the jelly and the melon. I dropped something. Right now it's very good. a little bit. Very fresh.
How many points?
I'm gonna give it 8. I think.
8.
Yeah.
On the sweetness scale.
Well, it's very fresh and I like it.
Good.
You have to try it if you are in Labuan Bajo.